Alright, I am going to hopefully straighten this out. The way this part is configured, it goes together with the gasket, then the diaphragm goes on top of that part. The next part is this part. This side goes against the diaphragm, like this. And then the next part is the fuel control valving. Now, the way I sent it was like this. And if you look, you can see how the valve here sticks out on this side, and this valve sticks up. So this is to this side, this one's to this side, and this holds tight against this hole. And then this one actually goes tight against this hole right here. And that's how the valving works. So the way I sent this was like this. And this interferes up at this top corner. So the easiest way to fix this would be to just take a scissors and clip this little corner off of here. The staple doesn't matter. It just holds it together so it doesn't fall apart. And that would solve the problem for everybody that this has been sent to quickly and easily. The alternative is, if you want to, you can take this apart and remove the staples, and then you'd end up with two pieces. One that is the gasket, which is right here, and you'd end up with this. So this is how they currently are configured right now. This valve section goes through this hole like this. So what you need to do is just take these apart, turn this over, and you take this and you put it through like this. So that way the valve still works on both sides, and it's not an interference over on this side. So that is the way to solve the problem. Once that's on here, the Teflon always goes towards this. And as long as these valves are configured where the top one goes away and the bottom one comes towards you, that is how it's supposed to work. And then this would go like that, and it would all bolt together.